Hey traders! Welcome to Quantphemes, your AI-powered trading agent. We've supercharged the Quantphemes to get you from idea to winning execution even faster. Start with Chat Page, now personalized to your expertise. Beginners, get a guided experience and instant ideas with trending stocks to spark inspiration. Pros, dive in with quick backtests on active stocks and one-click templates to launch strategies in seconds. Ask anything. Our AI acts as your smart financial advisor. It answers, also builds. Run a quick test for instant backtest results. Tweak parameters and watch changes update in real time. Simulate with paper trading 24/7 on real market data. Zero risk, prove it works. Ready to go live? Connect your broker and turn insights into real profits. If you want to go even easier, try mimic trading. Follow top captains winning trades with one click. Or become a captain to share your strategies and earn rewards. Your winning strategy is just a prompt away. From ideas to building, testing, and trading, Quantphemes makes it easy and exciting.